convex polygon. We're still not very good at that, are we? Being quiet when it's time to be quiet. A convex polygon, all of those vertices are pointing outward. Concave polygons have caves in them, is how I remember it. Because, like, look how this vertex points inward and creates a little cave in the polygon, right? So convex, everything's outward. Concave, you have at least one corner that's coming inward. Okay, so just quickly, make sure we've got that. Convex, all corners point outward. So, quick example of everything pointing outward. The sides should be straight. That was not great. Okay, there we go. Concave, at least one corner points inward. Okay, so maybe something like that. Now, that's just one. I only made one corner pointing inward. Could there be more than one corner pointing inward? Yes, there could be. Okay, next, I want you to define a regular polygon. Let me see if I can find it. There it is. Okay, so right here, I'm not going to give you as long this time. So 15 seconds to look at it and think about it, no talking. 15 seconds to look at it and think about it, no talking. Yes, Logan? Okay, now take a few seconds or so, 15 to 30 seconds discussing it. What is a regular polygon? Talk about it with your group. What do you think a regular polygon is? All right, finish up your sentence. Finish what you're talking about and be ready to be quiet in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time to be quiet. Here we go. All right, a regular polygon has all congruent sides and angles. All congruent sides and angles. We learned already earlier this year about what's called an equilateral triangle. Well, an equilateral triangle is also known as a regular triangle. Okay? What four-sided shape would be a regular quadrilateral? Any ideas? What would be the name? Raise your hand if you think you know the name of the four-sided shape that would be a regular quadrilateral. Any ideas? Square. Okay, that wasn't raising your hand, but good job. Yes, square would be right. Okay, here's something you might see as you are in driver's ed or driving around town. Hopefully you pay attention to these. Okay, a stop sign is a regular octagon. Mine is certainly not perfect. It is not your turn to talk. I don't know where you keep getting this idea that it's your turn to talk while I'm up here talking. So those are regular polygons. They have all congruent sides, all congruent angles. Like a square or a stop sign or an equilateral triangle. Okay, next. We need to learn about what an exterior angle is. I don't have an example for that for you. So